All right, YouTube, we're back with the second edition, the second version of the Project Peacekeeper G-Shock watch collaboration. Let's check it out. Let's go. Alright guys, so here we go. This is kind of a piggyback on the last video I posted. This is the Project Peacekeeper G-Shock collaboration. This is the second watch. There's two different options you could select. The last video was of the GD100. This one is the DW5600, the Project Peacekeeper. This was a little bit different. This one's got the cops logo on the box there, concerns of police survivors, but this is still the Project Peacekeeper. This one looks like it's mostly directed towards the cops design. DW5600 Project Peacekeeper 20. I'm guessing 20 means the year these were released. I just found out about these, so I'm new to the game when it comes to these Project Peacekeeper watches. I've seen them before in used condition. I've seen them on kind of gray markets being sold. I didn't know where they came from, and somebody put me on this. But 3229 is the module of this particular watch. Let's check this baby out. Again, projectpeacekeeper.org, and they do support law enforcement, obviously, and they actually, here we go, they actually donate money. 10% of all sales are donated to law enforcement charities, so it's pretty cool. I like the concept. I like the idea. I am all supportive of law enforcement and military, so thank you all for your services if you're out there and you're law enforcement. First responders, teachers, military, government agencies. I appreciate it, you know, for those who are serving our community. So concerns of police survivors, cops logo on the top since 1984. It's got the Project Peacekeeper logo in blue and a big old hair. I don't know where that came from. And then you have G-Shock logo with the thin blue line. I love that. That is pretty cool. I like that. And then on the bottom of the can, you have the for law enforcement only. Again, this watch can only be purchased with law enforcement credentials. I was able to get my hands on it though. Project Peacekeeper logo right in the bottom there. Open this baby up. Let me show you guys the actual watch. $150 is the retail price for this particular model. DW5600PPK Peacekeeper Project or Project Peacekeeper 20-1 for black. 3229 module on this particular watch. And here we have her, the 5600 Project Peacekeeper special design. I like this one. This is the negative display 5600. Nothing wild about the design, but I do love that they incorporated the thin blue line on the actual band. And then you have the Project Peacekeeper logo on the actual face of the watch right there. Let me see if I can get a little clear. Go. Got the Project Peacekeeper logo right on the top of the display within the glass. Project Peacekeeper on the bottom of the screen there as well, which is nice little addition to this watch. And then you have also the back plate, which does have the engraving of the Project Peacekeeper, or this one's actually the cops, right? It says cops on this one right there. Right there, cops. 3229 module, DW5600 VT. Very nice. This does not have a quick release. This is actually standard DW5600 with the spring bars, which is not a problem. And let me show you guys here the backlight on this puppy because it's actually pretty nice. There you go. Nice and legible. In terms of the functions on this 5600, it's nothing crazy, nothing to call home about, but it's a standard DW5600 with the time, the day of the week, the date on the top right window, which is very useful when it comes to law enforcement use. 12 and 24-hour format for law enforcement and military purposes. People like that. And then the modes, you have home time, alarm functions, timer, stopwatch, and then you're back to your home time. That is it. That is all. That is all you get. But nevertheless, great watch. Love that they're supporting law enforcement all around. And love that they're actually donating funds to support those impacted by survivors of law enforcement, both family and co-workers. All right, guys, there you have it. The Project Peacekeeper DW5600 G-Shock watch. Thanks so much for watching. Till next time, this is Chicago. Holla at your boy. I'm out of here. Peace.
My G-Shock, I'm rocking 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 my G-Shock.